Servus from Slovakia. ICF Wildwater Canoeing World Championships in Bratislava and the day of qualifications. We are back on the course after one day of rest. Qualifications started early today in quite windy morning.
I'm in. Qualified.
I'm directly qualified.
I'm qualified.
Qualified. I'm qualified.
Qualified. I'm qualified.
I'm in.
Qualified.
On the course such as Championchips, it is not that predictable who will reach the podium or qualifications.
It was such a good run. I had a few mistakes, but just small ones, and it was almost perfect. So I tried to repeat the run tomorrow and hope for the best.
It's not only about skills or hard training. The water plays one of the major roles in here too.
So today I did my qualifications run and I'm so happy with the result. I'm so happy of my performance because I won it, and I'm looking forward to the race tomorrow for the finalists.
Good luck in finals!